Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be doing something slightly a little bit different to what I normally would, but today I'm going to be doing a split hair dye tutorial, and the side that I'm going to be dyeing is this side, and this side I'm going to be dyeing it alpine green, and this side I'm going to be just leaving it the way it is. The dye that I'm going to be using today is from Directions, of course, and the colour is alpine green. I currently have 2 pots of hair dye of the same colour, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to be needing 2, but who knows, we'll never know. So what you're going to be needing is a pair of hair dye gloves, your hair dye, a mixing bowl, and if you have one of these, which I haven't, you're going to need a hair dye brush, but normally I don't really use a hair dyeing brush because I just use my hands, it's easier. You're going to need towels because Directions hair dye does stain a lot, so you're going to need a good few of these. And last but not least, you're going to need a hair tie to put one side of your hair up and out of the way. I've already parted my hair down the middle, and before anyone says anything, yes, I am aware that my roots are disgusting because right at this precise moment in time I'm very broke and I can't afford any bleach at this moment, so shit happens. So you're going to need to part your hair down the middle and tie up the side that you aren't going to be dyeing. So now that the hair dye is in the bowl, it's ready to apply. So on the next clip that you're about to see, this wasn't really planned, but I thought, oh, what the hell. I ended up getting a piece of hair from the other side of my hair that I wasn't going to dye, and I ended up dyeing that part of the fringe. So after applying all of the dye to the places where I wanted it to be, I left the dye on for a few hours, and all I did was just rinse it off. Hi everyone, so I kinda done a thing last night. I decided to dye all of my hair with the alpine green. Now, my family and my friends have both said 2 different things, and what they've said is, your hair still looks blue. Oh no, your hair, you can really tell you've dyed it green, but you can still see a blue tint in it. So that was my family's and friends' comments on my hair. Then my boyfriend, because he's colourblind, he thinks my hair's turned out grey, like silver. I'll insert some pictures of what my hair looks like when I go outside and what it looks like with my selfie ring on full blast. Then all of you can then see and judge yourself. This whole hair thing is reminding me of that dress that was posted all over social media, and people were saying, what colour is this dress? And people were saying white and gold, and it wasn't. I can't remember what colour it was, but it wasn't white and gold. But I can tell from what I can see, and it's definitely green, but with a blue tint. Insert the pictures now. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you would like to see more hair related videos like this. And if you would like a video of me talking in depth of how I got my hair beforehand, then give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.